now at Kauswagan International Convention.
We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me.
Day, palitin may prutas. Tipid kaya ko, Day. Ako ibayad kay Gcash ganit, Day. Naman may prutas. Hi, baby ko. Hello, their market. Hi, Michelle. So guys, this is their market. It looks so fancy though. And from the outside, they have this barrier. In the outside, looks like a mall. Hi, Sam. Sam. Hi, oy, Sam. Ma'am, unsa inyo, ma'am? Apple, nami orange, nami apple, mango, then nami watermelon. Unsa mo, Sam? Apple. So guys, we are back right here at Kauswagan Boardwalk. This is our second time. We also gonna do the food draft and then convention center, and I'm gonna show you later what it looks like because that is the one that we are looking for here. This is from their fiesta before. Tagana ni og bata oy. Be, wala yung ka diha oy. You want to ride this one? Go ride. Huh? Go ride. You want? Oh, you want to walk? Huh? Oh, she enjoys it. Oh, yes. That's a boat. Careful. Careful, ha? Ayaw suong. Tagak ka. Wow. Wow, Sophia. Nice sunset, Sophia. Let's go. No. Walk, ha?
Sakay mo anak mo. Sa kalesa.
You want to ride? Horse? That's horse, Sophia. Wait lang. Bayad ta. Pwede ko mo sakay ara. No? No daw eh. Utubag na siya, no? The local government of Kauswagan opened its amusement park situated on the town's longest boardwalk. The park features 5 major rides such as Ferris wheel, picaron, air bike, carousel, and train. The 26 million cost of the construction was financed through a local initiative for the creation and establishment of a tourism destination in the town, making the amusement park the first of its kind in northern Mindanao. The park is seen to be an income-generated tourist attraction. More rides will be added in the upcoming years. On weekdays, the park opens from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. during weekends. The 4 rides cost 50 pesos per person, while the air bike costs 300 pesos. And 10 pesos environmental or entrance fee is also paid. The amusement park with the longest boardwalk was opened in October 2022.
I'm seeing your face in my dreams. I can't escape you. like a movie on repeat.
Wow,
The scenes
that's
just
a
go
nice
on.
sunset.
I'm hearing your voice in my dreams.
Choo-choo train! Ano no? Horse.
I really think I
Takdan po
made a big mistake. I want you to know.
Yeah, so we are here right now in Food Wharf here in Kauswagan. Wow, tasty.
Di ba? Korean na gang?
Korean.
The 2-hectare Fisherman's Raft Food Park and Entertainment Center was built using local funds in Barangay Kawit Oriental. The food park features an array of different cuisines from 13 tenants. With different local food, they also have snack bar, Korean food, Mediterranean, and many more. With a budget of about 20 million, the facility was built within 6 months. It is open for licensed promoters or producers to hold concerts. The said facility is just one of the income-generating projects attracting local tourists that were constructed in the town.
'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it keeps
Malang na siya. Ingon ka, dili halang. Bon appetit.
just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart.
May, makita ako, May. Basin po tulok ko mulo, May.
Kita kayo, yatang agtang isunaw. Para man mo.
So we are here right now at Kauswagan International Convention Agriculture Center, I guess. And yeah, we are walking, heading to the convention area. I'll just share later because I don't know what's in here as well. And I have here the whole family. Hi guys! Hala. Ang drone di ay.
How do we end up here in the corner looking like
The 150 million Kauswagan International Organic Convention Center here opened recently after 5 months of construction by the local government. Situated in 5-hectare lot on a white sand beach, this facility offers a scenic view of the fountain and features state-of-the-art clamshell type venues and administration building, a cafeteria, accommodation rooms, and 2 helicopter pads. Shared rooms can house around 300 delegates, and the center's beautiful cafeteria is fully equipped and staffed by professional chefs. The center will host several significant events such as Organic Youth Forum, the 9th Asian Local Government for Organic Agriculture Summit, the 4th Global Alliance of Organic District, Women in Organic Agriculture in Asia, the 6th Organic Asia Congress. The event was held last June 4 to 9, attracting participants and delegates from 32 various countries and areas around the world, including China, South Korea, Portugal, Maldives, and Mongolia, among others. The convention center for various events, attracting both local and foreign tourists, thus benefiting not only Kauswagan but also neighboring cities and municipalities economically.
I can't believe you're here. Can't get anywhere.
So we stopped by at 7-Eleven, guys, to drink some coffee because Dad is sleepy. And it's almost 12 midnight.
Kanina lang yung pare.
No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe.
So,
When I get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew how you have moved me, but it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
hindi naman kayo kita.
Close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew how you have moved me. It's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here.
So, if you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you and bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.